Though you will see click to continue and replay buttons in this video, these features are not supported by this format. You may want to pause the video when you see these buttons. If you want these features and the supplemental slides and files that correspond to the video, then enroll in the course at biztricks.us. SQL works on set theory. Don't worry, this isn't a math class. We're learning SQL. But what is a set? A set is a group of information. At its core, set theory has three operations: union, intersection, and difference. Here we have two sets of numbers, set A and set B. If we union set A and B, we combine the two sets. We can decide to keep duplicates or remove duplicates. Simple, right? If we take the intersection of set A and B, we take the overlapping area, or where A equals B. Still simple, right? If we take the difference between A and B, then we must decide what difference to perform. Keep the non-overlapping area of A, keep the non-overlapping area of B, or keep the non-overlapping area of A and B, which could also be said as remove the intersection. We will learn about joins and group by later, but set theory is how SQL evaluates data. It's simple and very powerful. Let's use a practical example to illustrate a set-based approach. Here we have different objects. Each object has a color and a value. If someone asked us to sum all the red shapes, what might we do? We would group the objects by color and sum the values where the color is red. The red shapes sum to 61. If someone asked us to sum all the triangles, then we would group the objects by shape and sum the values where the shape is a triangle. This is basically how SQL works.